Hello? Welcome. If you want to learn English, but textbooks feel difficult and fast movies are confusing, then you are in the right place. Let me introduce my channel, Story Vocab. Here, we learn English differently. How? Number 1. Stories. We learn with interesting stories, adventures, mysteries, and everyday life. When you follow a story, you remember words easily. Number 2. Slow and clear. I speak slowly and clearly so you can hear every word. You can listen, repeat, and feel confident. Number 3. Creative videos. We will use animation, pictures, and fun ideas to explain vocabulary and grammar. Learning will be visual and memorable. So, who is this channel for? It is for beginners and intermediate learners, and anyone who loves stories. It is for you. On this channel, you will improve your vocabulary, understand grammar naturally, and most importantly, gain confidence to listen and speak. So, what should you do now? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to see our next video. I am so happy to be your English guide. Let's begin this journey together with our first story. Next time, thank you for watching. See you soon.